I think we should
Welcome
have a special effect.
to the unboxing of the 60-watt MagSafe adapter from Apple. Have you ever seen anything so exciting? Yep, we have the beautiful Apple black box with all of the things that might be inside. So let's dive in. All right,
Okay,
now
I have a gay father.
the plastic is hard to get off, but as we take it off, the factory plastic, this is just exciting. This is about as fun as it was when I was taking out my MacBook. It's the beautiful black, matte black box, and looks like we slide it open. Yep, here we go. And so there is the content. Oh, so we can see right through there. Okay. And so what we have is we have the prerequisite Apple manual on, of course, how to use it. We have the.
Oh, that's what that's for.
That's how I use it. We have the Apple power cable. This is the adapter.
Oh, that came with it?
Yeah, I'm surprised too. And then we have the
What?
I thought
prerequisite.
this was ours. I didn't know that was.
However this comes out.
Is it a fuzzy box? Uh-oh. We lost contact. Oh, man, it shut off.
Cable.
Yay.
So now we can, okay, obviously she hasn't learned anything. She doesn't know how to box. She only knows how to watch. And be excited about the watching portion. So we put that back in. Get the manual because we never know when we might need the manual. And plus we have to keep the box. I'm sure this will end up on little Bopper's desk since this will be the only Apple box that he owns. We now have the adapter. So we somehow have to, there's plastic on this. Okay, here we go. So we take that off. And there's the adapter, but we're going to take that off, and we're going to
Should I plug this one in?
put this in, okay, and my lovely assistant is going to plug it in. I'm just taking the connector off. And I'm taking off the little jacket off the MagSafe, and
Which catches on fire, by the way?
I'm going to plug it in.
I thought this was to hang
And
on.
do you guys feel the power? Thank you. And au revoir.